What if the biggest AI lie isn't being told by scammers or fake gurus or social media influencers? What if it's being repeated by millions of ordinary people every single day? Because right now, there's a belief spreading across the internet, a belief that's convincing people they'll be richer, more successful, and more valuable simply because AI exists. But history tells a very different story. And if this belief is wrong, millions of people may be preparing for a future that never arrives. Open any social media app, and within minutes, someone will tell you AI is making people rich, fast, easy, almost automatically. Script everywhere you look. People are showing AI-generated businesses, AI-generated content, AI-generated income, and slowly, a dangerous idea starts forming. That success is becoming easier. That technology is removing the need for effort. That AI is the shortcut, but that's where the first mistake begins because tools have never guaranteed success. People create success. Tools simply amplify what already exists. This isn't the first time humanity believed a new technology would make everyone successful, and every single time, reality was more complicated. The internet created opportunities, but not everyone became wealthy. Social media created opportunities, but not everyone became influential. Smartphones changed the world, but not everyone built successful businesses. Technology creates possibilities, not guarantees, and AI may follow the exact same pattern. Here's something most people don't realize. Technology rarely rewards everyone equally. It rewards a specific group of people. The people who benefit most from new technology are usually the fastest learners, the fastest adapters, the fastest executors. When a powerful tool appears, the advantage often goes to the people who know how to use it first, not the people who simply own it. And that's a huge difference. A few years ago, having access to powerful tools was rare. Today, almost everyone has access, which creates a new problem. If everyone can use the same AI tool, and then access stops being the advantage. Execution becomes the advantage. The question is no longer, do you have AI? The question becomes, right, what can you do with it? And most people never ask that second question. The biggest AI lie on the internet is surprisingly simple. And that's exactly why it's so dangerous. The lie is this: AI will make you successful. No, AI can make you faster. AI can make you more productive. AI can make you more efficient, but success still depends on judgment, discipline, consistency, decision making, and those things remain deeply human. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The people most excited about AI may not be the people who benefit from it, because many people are using AI as entertainment, not leverage. They're consuming content, watching tutorials, collecting information, but never executing. And information without action has never created results. While everyone is talking about AI, a smaller group is quietly doing something different. They're building skills, learning systems, improving workflows, creating businesses, increasing productivity, and they're using AI as an accelerator, not as a replacement for effort. That's where the biggest opportunities may exist. The future may not be divided between rich and poor, or educated and uneducated. The new divide may be simpler: people who know how to work with AI and people who don't, not because AI replaces everyone, but because some people become dramatically more effective than others. And effectiveness creates opportunity. If AI isn't the answer, then what should people focus on? The answer may surprise you. Focus on skills, focus on communication, focus on problem solving, focus on execution, focus on learning quickly, because those abilities increase the value of every tool you use, including AI. Without those skills, even the most powerful technology has limits. The future isn't being built by people who have the best tools, it's being built by people who know what to do with them. That's been true throughout history, and it may become even more true in the AI era. Technology changes, human behavior doesn't. The people who consistently learn, adapt, and execute often gain the biggest advantages regardless of the tools available. So what's the biggest AI lie on the internet? That AI alone changes lives. It doesn't. People change lives. AI simply increases what people are already capable of doing. For some people, that may create extraordinary opportunities. For others, it may become another distraction. The difference won't be the technology. The difference will be how it's used, right? If you enjoy videos about AI, future careers, online income, productivity, and the future economy, subscribe to Future Flow AI. because the biggest opportunities of the next decade may belong to the people who understand the difference between using technology and depending on it.